Hey, so quick video. This is going to be the follow-up to the Ovation sound test, and I'll just have some overlays of the controls with the sound test that I just went straight into GarageBand. Same controls, just same settings on everything. Forgive me for my video editing, which is not great. I don't know what I'm doing. I couldn't figure out how to keep the still from shifting around and the weird transitions. Second to last, I was playing the same chord progression, and my ring finger didn't want to work, so that's a little wonky. So I apologize for your ears on that. Anyway, I said in the other video I didn't know what the buttons do. I mean, that's a little facetious. The first one's obviously turns the EQ on and off, and I didn't mess with the slider settings at all. I had them the same on the all, whether it was on or off. The mid shift and the pre-shape, those are the ones I'm not really sure on, and you can tell the difference it makes. We'll see. So there's the video, and happy 4th of July, and we'll catch y'all later. Bye.
All off. Number 1 on EQ. Adding the mid shift. Mid shift off, pre-shape on. Now all 3 buttons engaged. Turning off the EQ and the pre-shape, mid-shift only. Adding the pre-shape to the mid-shift. Mid-shift off, pre-shape only.